Alrighty, so when it comes to conditional formatting, the first thing you want to do is choose the column or row that you want to format. So I'm going to start with the pre-assessment column. And now that I've selected the row, I can right click in any of these cells and I'm going to go look for conditional formatting. It looks like a little paintbrush. It's going to open something on the side. Now, color scale is for if you want to get fancy. We're not worried about fancy. We're worried about function, which means we're going simple. So I am, for example, I have it already sorted by the order of the pre-assessment from the lowest to the highest score. So I want to start by saying if a score is less than or equal to 40, I know that I want them to be color coded red because that is not good. That is did not meet really bad. And now, boom, if I were to add anything in this column, any information that is below a 40, it's going to automatically put it in that color. And then as soon as it's gone, changes color. Now, in order to do more conditional formatting, I'm going to click add another rule because you're communicating to the sheet, to the Google Sheet, what the rules are for this column about how to color code them. Now, I'm going to say is between because I know that I want to look at 41 to, let's say, 55 next. Now, that's actually a bigger group than I would like now that I'm looking at it. And so I'm going to switch it to 50, right? Maybe even 49, just so it can line up with the formative assessment scores I have here. Now, if they're scoring a 41 to a 49, they're not actually getting green. They're maybe getting orange. Now, I could click done, or I could just click add another rule, and it's going to keep the same parameters I had before, which makes it a lot easier to move on to the next category. At which point you need to remember to change the color here. And a mistake I frequently run into is accidentally changing the font color, the text color, rather than the fill color.